This is not a drill. There's a new Talaria. And just like the Talaria XXX, MX3, MX4, and MX5, I got it first. Let's check it out. The Talaria XXX is one of the most popular bikes of all time. It's light, fast, and inexpensive. For the first time since its release almost 2 years ago, the XXX has finally been updated to address its most common pain points. This is the first time the XXX Pro has been shown. I also got a standard XXX to compare with the Pro XXX. The standard XXX comes with supermoto wheels and a big headlight. The Pro model comes with dirt wheels and an updated headlight. The standard looks more street and the Pro looks more off-road. Same in the back. The Pro has a fender now with a tucked taillight, so you're not destroying a $100 taillight every time the bike tips. Also in the rear is one of the biggest updates on the Pro. The original has one long rear shock directly mounted. The Pro now has a linkage. You can see the new weld point is higher now. The linkage system should improve off-road performance, and I know Prickly's gonna make some baller upgrade linkages. There's finally more opportunity to customize the XXX, but it should also perform better, of course. The original black and white display on the XXX is certainly outshined by the new color display on the XXX Pro. It's much easier to read at a glance. The original XXX had 3 modes for the headlight, except for an off mode, while the Pro has a blackout switch that kills the headlight and the taillight together. A very nifty feature, if you know what I'm talking about. Besides that, they have the same power, motor, battery, Michelin carbon belts, brakes, and seat. Here you can see the standard XXX rear shock versus the Pro XXX rear shock. I swapped the standard supermoto wheels over to the Pro, and in the process I dumped the bike, which proves how easy it is to break the taillight. Here we go, the first ever Talaria XXX Pro Supermoto. We're driving downtown for a very special event. We got Rob on the E-Ride Pro Supermoto, Jim on the Altis, and I'm on the brand new XXX Pro. No, there's definitely a limiter. This is sport mode. Dude, there's a limiter on this. I need to cut it. Oh, it's so slow. My bad, bro. I'm late and I don't have my bike ready.
It's in the middle.
Nice. We just cut the limiter. Hold up. No, now it's not working. Oh, it's because my kickstand's down. Let's go. It's gonna be an honor to ride with you. You wheelie it?
Oh, hell no. Already you got me 3.
This is not a normal ride out. This is a cancer ride out. One of our homies got cancer. We're rallying to the hospital, show our support. I got a little gift for him. Hey, there he is. Although everyone wanted to come in, only 3 visitors were allowed to minimize germs. We checked in, put on masks, washed our hands, put on a surgical gown. Thanks. Washed our hands again, put on gloves, and got to see Noah. He is a polite, brave young man that just wants to get back out and ride. But he's got some fighting ahead of him, so comment W Noah to show him how much support he has. We're showing love to our buddy.
No, of course, no. We understand. We're just out here just making sure everything's okay.
Oh my god, we're so lucky we're outside right now. Raw, you trying to race? Okay, we got E-Ride Pro on supermoto wheels, Altis Sigma, and the new XXX Pro. Alright. Oh, yeah, that was pretty accurate. Jim lost his bottle. Just gonna litter like that? Litter bug?
Have to go back.
Yeah, we gotta go back. We're out here leaving good examples. No role models, and I'm here right now. Just like J. Cole said.
No role models to speak up.
Searching through my memory, I couldn't find one. Last night I was getting my feet rubbed by the baddest.
Leave no trace. It's one of the best lessons in life. And yes, I absolutely forgot my gloves again today. Yeah! Come on! That's a vibe. I want to be like this guy.
Reality is...
Dude's definitely part of the gang now. Official. It's me, Raw, Jim, and our man right here. Clean, bro. Hella smooth.
E-moto?
Yes, sir, it is.
How fast can it go?
This one goes like 45, 50 maybe.
I've seen a lot of them. I wish I had one.
You want to take it for a spin right here?
Okay, yeah. But I mean, I've seen, there's a guy that goes around and does YouTube videos,
Yeah.
you know, with the, you know, like the GoPro.
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen those?
Yeah, is it Surronster?
Yeah, yeah.
That's me, that's me.
Oh, you! You doing it right now?
Yeah, what's up, boss?
Hey,
Nice to meet you.
great show.
Thank you so much. Oh, no, it's just a Corvette. Lotus. Lotus.
We are really trying to do this. The whole billionaire class. The Silicon Mafia.
Dude, I'm a big fan.
Hey, appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, I watch your shit all the time, man.
I'm waiting for them to get to the tariffs, and then I'm really gonna start chanting.
What are we gonna do about the tariffs?
These billionaires have got to go.
I know the tariffs you're talking about, brother. Where's your helmet at? It ain't here. No helmet, you're getting a ticket. Once you get documented, you're in. Once I got you with all these cameras set up, I got you. What's your name? Peanut.
Ron.
Ron, nice to meet you, Ron.
You can combo on it?
Yeah, no, I used to be able to. I think I'll just do a sit down right now. Yeah. Let's go. This is my last video in America for the next few weeks because in 3 days, I'm flying to China.
我在北京。
老天保佑，金山银山全路有。老天教唆别管江湖。
I'm on my way to the Apple store right now because I need a laptop to edit while I'm in China so I can keep posting. What's I'm trying to buy a laptop, but I don't want to leave my bike out. Do you think? Thank you. Really the most insane Apple store. Look at the ceiling. Hey, thank you, boss. What's up, dude? What's up?
Can I get a photo?
Hey, ride safe, all right? Nice to see you with the helmet on. Come on. I got the MacBook Air 15-inch big boy with the upgraded processing power and storage so I can edit some mean videos. Let's get the bike back to its stock form. It's time to hit the dirt. No role models and I'm here right now.
No role models to speak of. Searching through my memory, I couldn't find one.
I'm riding with Offline Red. He pulled up in his detailing van, red XXX to match, fully built.
The main battery, we got a 74 volt, 44 amp hour battery, stock motor, foot brake, and suspension.
Dude, they did add a Lincoln.
Yeah.
No way. Whoa.
It's the colored MX5 display. Sport mode and eco mode, it's colored at the top, so it's way easier to tell what you're in. The bike that you have, the original, having that stiff rear shock it's almost better for wheelies.
Really?
Yeah. So it's almost like that's the street bike, this is the dirt bike. 3, 2, 1, go. Bye bye. So there's a lot of potential here for upgrading.
Oh my god.
Bam.
I remember how much I hated these pegs too.
Yeah, the pegs are terrible. Pegs make a huge difference when you upgrade them. And then you got the foot brake. 3, 2, 1, go. Holy shit. Oh my god. I couldn't keep the wheel down. I've never ridden an upgraded XXX before. It is surprisingly nice with the dirt wheels. I probably didn't even need to switch these out yesterday. Oh, but it switches off on you. It goes into the error 36 if you go past 12.
Is it really?
Yeah, so if you tried to scrape, which is like the error, you're definitely erroring out. Oh, you can take that off, huh? Yeah, I know you can take it off on the surron. I didn't.
Just unplug it.
It's like the little box. Yeah.
You want to see some salamanders?
I love salamanders! How did this get here with a knife thing on it? Dude, that's a dangerous weapon. Oh my god, you punch someone with that? Oh, oh my god, I almost just totally washed out. That's actually crazy. I didn't fall. Whoa, what was that? Dude, are there foxes up here?
No, there's coyotes.
That is not a coyote. That is not a squirrel. I think we just discovered a new species. Let's call it the fairy fox.
Yeah, there used to be a swing here all the time.
Why can good things never last?
Because kids like to mess things up.
What bothers me is that kids think it's cool to destroy stuff. I think it's way cooler to make stuff, not to destroy stuff. It's easy to destroy stuff.
Oh, right there. There's one.
Oh, there's two. Oh my god, they're huge. I think they're hugging.
No, they're mating.
No, we got two salamanders. They're having a moment. We rode our bikes to this little stream and there's these little dragons in the water. Wow. He's orange. He's so big. I don't want to keep him out too long. Get back in there.
Later, dude.
Wow, that's so cool. Look, there's another one.
Yeah.
There's so many. What is in here? I love mysterious caves in the deep forest. Here we go. This is the Razor Hill. The Razor could not make it up. Well, actually, the Razor could, just not with me riding it. No problem on the Talaria X Pro. This thing's a little billy goat. Wow, that is so dangerous. Dude, there's a car. What the This is so fun, and we're both on triple X's. It's a vibe when you're matching the other person's bike. My only complaint so far is just the seat's a little more narrow than I wish. I think it's to be better for smaller riders. I just lost all the confidence I thought I had. Oh. Why was that exactly what I thought was gonna happen? Oh! Let's go! That felt like an ollie. I'm gonna try to wheelie it one time. Oh, it's so scary rolling in on the gravel. Oh. Here's the problem is like if I'm going for the wheelie, if I wheelie some of it, but then let my front down early, I'm fucked. Yeah. That's what I'm scared of. Let's go! Come on! Let's go! Come on! Oh, we are at the highest point in this mountain range, and you know because of all these, I don't know what they are, satellite, telephone, transmitters. We just climbed all the way up here, and we still have 41% in the battery. All casual. So I got my regen on full right now and it's making a huge difference. It's really nice. Oh, I am so bad at jumps. It's something about like how your weight's balanced when you're leaving the lip. I'm really bad at it, but everyone's bad at it until they put practice in. It's just about seat time. Nobody's born knowing how to wheelie, they just learn to. Let's go! is. No. I saw you go over the jump. You had one knee on the seat. Oh. Oh. Dude, there's so many fun side hits. That is the first look at the new Talaria X Pro. We took it to the street, we took it to the dirt. Next time you see me, I'll be in China. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. As they do.
Yeah, I'm on